Ever wondered why some people are rich while others are not? It's not just about luck or being born into a wealthy family. It's about mastering certain skills. So if you're ready to take the first step towards your first million or billion, stick around. Today, we're diving into 11 skills to master if you want to be rich. And no, we're not talking about being able to juggle flaming torches or solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. We're talking about real, practical skills that can transform your life and your bank account. So grab a notepad, sit back, and let's get started. First up on our list of wealth-building skills is discipline. The real challenge lies in showing up day after day, especially on those days when you'd rather be curled up on the couch binge-watching the latest Netflix series. Discipline is about doing what needs to be done, even when it's not what you want to do. It's about making the hard choices, like waking up early to work on your business plan, or spending your weekend attending a seminar instead of hanging out with friends. It's about putting in the work, even when the results aren't immediate. So how do you develop discipline? The key is to start small. Don't try to overhaul your entire life in one day. Instead, set small, achievable goals. It could be as simple as reading for 15 minutes a day or writing one page of your business plan each morning. The important thing is to stick to these goals, no matter what. Once you've mastered these small goals, you can gradually take on bigger challenges. Maybe you increase your reading time to 30 minutes a day, or you start working on a more complex aspect of your business plan. The idea is to keep pushing your boundaries, keep expanding your comfort zone. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, but they were laying bricks every hour. The same applies to your journey towards wealth and success. It's not about making huge leaps, but about taking consistent steps in the right direction. It's about laying your bricks, one at a time, day after day. That's the power of discipline, and that's how you build a foundation for lasting success. Next up is self-motivation. Think of it as the fuel for your success vehicle. The journey to success isn't always a joyride. There will be bumps, detours, and sometimes flat tires. That's when self-motivation becomes your lifeline, pushing you to keep going when the road gets tough. So how do you keep your motivation tank from running empty? Here are a few tips. First, visualize your goals. Imagine them in vivid detail. Feel the excitement of achieving them. This mental picture can be a powerful motivator, driving you forward when challenges arise. Second, remind yourself why these goals matter. What will achieving them mean for you? Keeping these reasons in mind can provide a motivational boost when you need it most. Third, celebrate your progress. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Recognizing these victories can fuel your motivation and keep you moving forward. Remember, the only person you should strive to outdo is the person you were yesterday. Your journey is unique, and so is your pace. Keep your eyes on your path, and with self-motivation as your fuel, there's no telling how far you'll go. Third on our list is focus. In a world buzzing with distractions, focus is your secret weapon. It's about keeping your eyes glued to your goals, even when distractions are vying for your attention. So, how do you sharpen your focus? Here are a few strategies. First, try time blocking. Dedicate specific chunks of time to different tasks. This helps you dive deep into one task at a time and allows you to fully concentrate each task. Meditation is another powerful tool for improving focus. By training your mind to stay present and ignore distractions, you can enhance your ability to focus in all areas of life. And sometimes, improving focus can be as simple as turning off those pesky notifications on your phone or computer. By reducing these constant interruptions, you can create a more focused and productive work environment. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. Similarly, your efforts will not yield significant results until they are focused. So, harness your superpower, maintain your focus, and watch as your path to success becomes clearer and more achievable. Next, we have reading and continuous learning. In today's world, knowledge is as valuable as currency, and these two are your personal bank. Reading isn't just a hobby. It's a gateway to new ideas and perspectives, broadening your horizons. And continuous learning? It's your ticket to staying relevant in this fast-paced world. So how do you embrace these? Set aside time each day for reading. It could be a chapter a day or even just a few pages. For continuous learning, explore online courses, webinars, or join a mastermind in your field of interest. And if you're looking for a book to start with, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a classic. It's packed with insights on achieving success. Remember, your brain is like a muscle. The more you exercise it with knowledge, the stronger it gets. So, dust off that book, sign up for an online course, and keep your brain in shape. Fifth on our list is playing the long game. If success were a sport, it would be a marathon, not a sprint. It's not about rushing to the finish line, but about pacing yourself, staying steady, and keeping your eyes on the prize, no matter how far it may seem. Playing the long game is about making strategic moves with a long-term perspective. It's about planting seeds today for a harvest that you'll reap in the future. It's about understanding that real, lasting success doesn't happen overnight, but is the result of consistent effort over time. How do you play the long game? Start with setting long-term goals. These are your guiding stars, helping you navigate your path to success. Setting goals is just the first step. You also need to be patient. In a world of instant gratification, patience can be a rare virtue. You need to give your efforts time to bear fruit. And while you're waiting, keep working. Keep laying the bricks that will build the path to your goals. Remember, good things come to those who wait, but only the things left by those who hustle. So don't just wait for success to come, work for it. Next, we have learning to market and sell. Whether it's a product, an idea, or yourself, the ability to market and sell is a game changer. It's about showcasing value and understanding the needs of your audience. How do you improve these skills? Start by honing your persuasion skills. Persuasion is an art, and like any art, it can be learned and improved. Read books, attend workshops, watch TED Talks, learn from the masters of persuasion. Next, get to know your audience. Understand their needs and desires to tailor your message effectively. And remember, people don't just buy products, they buy better versions of themselves. So sell not just a product or an idea, but a vision, a transformation. In essence, mastering marketing and selling is about effective communication, understanding others, and influencing behavior, skills that are invaluable in all walks of life. Seventh on our list is learning to outsource. It's crucial to understand that you can't do everything yourself, and that's perfectly okay. Outsourcing is a strategic tool that allows you to focus on tasks that directly contribute to your goals. How do you effectively outsource? Start by identifying tasks that are time-consuming or outside your expertise. Delegate these tasks, whether that means hiring a virtual assistant, contracting a freelancer, or using automation software. Remember, time is money. Every hour spent on a task that could be outsourced is an hour less spent on your key goals. So don't shy away from outsourcing. It's an investment that can boost your productivity and efficiency, allowing you to focus on what you do best. Next, we have the ability to motivate and inspire others. This isn't about being the boss, it's about uplifting those around you and fostering their growth. How do you cultivate this ability? First, lead by example. Your actions can serve as a powerful motivator, so embody the qualities you want to see in others. Second, be a source of encouragement. Recognize efforts, appreciate hard work, and support others in their challenges. A little encouragement can significantly boost morale and motivation. Lastly, remember the adage, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle. Helping others shine doesn't diminish your own light. It makes the collective light brighter. In essence, motivating and inspiring others is about empowering them to be their best. And in doing so, you'll find that you also inspire yourself. Ninth on our list is sacrifice. Success, as rewarding as it is, often comes with a price tag. It's not always glamorous or easy. It requires hard work, dedication, and yes, sacrifices. These sacrifices could be your time, your comfort, or even relationships. The path to success is often paved with choices that require you to give up something in the short term for long-term gain. It could mean waking up an hour earlier to work on your business, skipping a night out to save money, or spending your weekend attending a seminar instead of binge-watching Netflix. Firstly, prioritize. Understand what's important to you and what contributes most to your goals. This will help you identify what's worth sacrificing and what's not. Secondly, make conscious choices. Every decision you make should align with your long-term goals. This means sometimes choosing the harder path because you know it leads to greater rewards. Lastly, remember that sacrifices are often temporary and necessary for growth. Just as you can't have a rainbow without a little rain, you can't reach new heights of success without making some sacrifices along the way. In the end, the willingness to make sacrifices is about understanding the value of delayed gratification. It's about investing in your future self and being willing to pay the price for success. And when you finally achieve your goals, you'll find that the sacrifices you made were well worth it. 10th on our list is the ability to quickly adapt to change. If life were a game, adaptability would be your wild card, your secret weapon. It's the skill that allows you to navigate the ever-changing landscape of life and stay ahead of the curve. We live in a world that's changing at an unprecedented pace. Technology, trends, societal norms, they're all evolving faster than ever. In such a world, being able to adapt quickly to change is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. It's what allows you to stay relevant, to seize new opportunities, and to overcome unexpected challenges. So how do you cultivate adaptability? Firstly, stay open. Open to new ideas, new ways of doing things, new perspectives. Don't get too attached to the status quo or to your comfort zone. Embrace change, don't resist it. Secondly, stay curious. Keep learning, keep asking questions, keep exploring. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to new situations and challenges. Lastly, remember that change is the only constant in life. It's inevitable and unstoppable. Instead of fearing it, learn to ride the waves of change. Use it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to evolve. In the end, the ability to quickly adapt to change is about resilience and flexibility. It's about being able to pivot when needed, to adjust your sails when the winds of change blow. And in doing so, you'll find that you're not just surviving the game of life, but winning it. Last, but certainly not least, we have money management. This is a crucial skill that often distinguishes those who achieve financial success from those who don't. Making money is one thing, but keeping it and growing it is another. It's not just about how much you earn, but how well you manage what you earn. Money management is about making smart financial decisions. It's about understanding how to budget, how to save, how to invest, and how to make your money work for you. It's about ensuring that your financial habits support your financial goals. So, how do you improve your money management skills? Firstly, learn to budget. Understand where your money is going and plan how you want to spend it. A well-planned budget can help you control your spending, save more, and avoid unnecessary debt. Secondly, make saving a habit. Even if it's a small amount, regularly setting aside a portion of your income can add up over time. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. Thirdly, learn to invest. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, find investment opportunities that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Lastly, educate yourself. Read books, attend seminars, take online courses. The more you know about money management, the better decisions you can make. Remember, money management is not just about numbers, it's about freedom. The better you manage your money, the more financial freedom you'll have. So budget, save, invest, and let your money be a tool that helps you achieve your dreams. All right, folks, that wraps up our exploration into the 11 skills to master if you want to be rich. And if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed right now, remember that no one is born a master. Mastery comes from consistent effort, patience, and yes, a sprinkle of discipline. Now, we don't want to leave you on your wealth-creating journey alone, so we've got a special offer for you. The VYBO Mastermind has just launched, and we want you to be part of it. The VYBO Mastermind is a community of like-minded individuals on a mission to transform their lives. It's a place where you can learn, grow, and connect with others who are also on their journey towards wealth and success. It's a place to be inspired, to be challenged, and to be supported. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take the next step on your journey towards wealth and success. Remember, the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Just click on the link below this video and join us in the VYBO Mastermind. Let's take this journey together. In the meantime, keep learning, keep growing, and never stop chasing your dreams. See you in the next video.